Tesla is going to present Elon Musk's master plan part 3 during Investor Day. Details of Elon Musk's master plan are going to be discussed. March 1st, 2023, update was shared by the Tesla CEO himself on, where else? Twitter. Master Plan 3, the path to a fully sustainable energy future for Earth, will be presented on March 1. The future is bright. This kind of looks like a Matrix or movie poster type scenario. Of course, if you look more closely, there's Easter eggs in there. You can probably notice that each one of those little, it almost looks like a honeycomb type effect from this far away. And there's a Tesla logo there, but it's actually the die-cast frames of their vehicles. And this is such a big deal for them that this will create manufacturing efficiency never before seen. That the fact that they're having these die-cast style machines manufactured, specialty machines that are kind of one of a kind in order to allow for this manufacturing process. Unlike the first master plan and master plan part 2, Musk noted that master plan part 3 will also include sections related to his other companies, SpaceX and the Boring Company. He's going to wedge in a little bit about those. Main Tesla subjects will be scaling to extreme size, which is needed to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and AI, but it will also include sections about SpaceX, Tesla, the Boring Company, Musk wrote. Well, that's kind of must-see type thing. I mean, maybe we'll watch it. The problem is, though, their live streams happen at what time? It's
usually in the evening for us.
It's the middle of the night, is it not?
Yeah.
Which is weird because they're out west, so it's... Oh, yeah, that makes
3
sense.
3 hours
yeah, that makes sense. That's why it's so late for us, because they're out west. Although if they're doing this one from Texas?
Giga, Texas.
They're doing this one from Texas, okay, on March 1st. Who knows? Maybe we'll do a live stream party, and we'll do a live reaction to... I mean, every time they do any type of event, it feels like...
1 a.m.
No. I was going to say, yeah, I know it's late, but I was going to say it seems the boundaries are unlimited. Even when things seem far off, like they're bought or whatever, they are very willing to talk about far in the future, which is always interesting because you can kind of they call it a master plan, but you can kind of see maybe even possibilities beyond your lifetime to a certain extent. You start getting the imagination going on where and how things will be. Like the AI bot or Tesla bot or whatever the hell they called it.